Okay, so good morning traders. This is 17th of April, and this is the gold daily chart of interest. Okay, because why? We saw this up move here. We saw some supply coming into the market here. Okay, so if we look at the supply bar here, we can see it's on slightly higher volume than the previous bars. Yeah, other than this one. So we've actually seen some selling coming in the market there. We went sideways this week. This bar is really of interest. This is an ultra high volume bar. It's as high as that one, one of the highest ones in the last 2 weeks. And it is basically, this is supply entering the market, which is a retest of the high of this bar here, okay? So it's a retest of the high of this bar, and it's supply entering the market. So what I am looking for today is I'm looking for basically a breakdown of this support level here. We're going to just reduce the thickness of that line a little bit. Okay, we're going to wait for a breakdown of that. We're already under it, so I'm going to be looking for weakness. I'm going to be looking for a move down into this support area here, which is 1671. This kind of ties in with the daily S3, a little bit lower than us. First support would be definitely the daily S2, which is 1687, kind of around the high of this bar here. That's kind of what I'm looking for. So this could be either just a move down. We've had a decent move up here without, a couple of tests here. So it might be a kind of move like that. Sometimes we might come down to this level today in spring, or we may come down to this level, move up, and then start drifting off as coronavirus news gets a little bit better through the summer. Yeah, hopefully. So looking at the lower time frames, this is the same template I've got for my Dow Jones video that I put earlier. It's a very, very simple template: Bollinger Band, standard settings, pivot, volume, and bars rather than candles. I can see more on bars. I like it. So looking at the 30-minute chart, okay, so we just drift that down a little bit. So here we have the open bar of the Asian session today, so we can use that as our open range bar. So I'm actually looking for moves below 1701, which is just below the daily pivot of S1. We are trending down, okay? I don't use the top Bollinger Band, I only use the middle. I'm a trend trader. We are trending down, so I am looking for signs of weakness with a move towards, as I said, this 1689 level down here. So this will actually give us a nice little 100-point trade, okay? So, you can even just put a sell stop underneath here. It's a bit higher risk. I would like to see a slight up move here to 1710. Even as we see now, we're kind of moving back down into this, but that's the target for today. We are going to move down into this area. Potentially we could see 1659-ish, this level down here, which is essentially, if we look at that on the charts, I doubt we'll get down there, but we might. This is kind of the next support level. 1689 is the one I'm targeting. Let's see what else we've got. We've got a slight support there, 1678. We may use 1674 as there we go, 1674 as our target. You see on the daily here, we've got support, we got support here. So 1674 could be a potential target as well. It was a support here, it was a resistance here, resistance. If I use words, I'm a bit dyslexic, so if I mess things up, don't worry about it. Just interpret what I'm saying. So this was a resistance level here, resistance level here, resistance level here, and a support level here, 1674.58. Okay, so that's kind of potentially 1674.58 is potentially our target for today, okay? As long as the trend remains down, okay? Stay safe out there. Don't forget, we're opening up a new website this week, www.trades4freedom.com, okay?